terms of area and population, Africa is the second largest continent in the globe. It is made up of 54 nations, and each of them offers tourists distinct experiences, particularly in the cities. The continent is well known for its breathtaking, enormous deserts, spectacular animals, rolling hills, mountains, and stunning savanna grasslands. It also has remarkable towns and cities that are rich in culture, history, and other pursuits. African cities provide a wide range of entertainment options, as well as different populations, sites, and cultures. In this video, we are presenting to you 25 most beautiful African cities in 2023. Number 25. Kampala, Uganda. Kampala is the busiest and the capital city of Uganda. Along with other beautiful things, Kampala is home to many traditional sites, craft stores, religious locations, luxury hotels, a fun nightlife, and a reasonably priced transportation. Ugandans are kind and friendly people, which make the city hospitable to visitors. Number 24. Alexandria, Egypt. Alexandria is one of the most beautiful cities in the African continent. Because of its large seaport, Alexandria prides itself as a major economic center. There are great places to visit, such as the Corniche and Alexandria National Museum. Number 23. Tripoli, Libya. Tripoli is the largest and the capital city of Libya. The city lies on the coast of the Mediterranean Sea and has been historically known as the trading center. While in Tripoli, you will be thrilled by the city's old town, the Medina, which has remained unspoiled by mass tourism. The local cuisine is also something you should not forget to have a taste. Number 22. Asmara Eritrea. Asmara is the busiest and the capital city of Eritrea. The city has a magnificent architecture and a promising Italian-Eritrean community that has existed since the colonial days. The city is also culturally developed, making it a suitable place to live. Number 21. Grahamstown, South Africa. Grahamstown is located in the Eastern Cape Province and is an art and literature center. It is known as a city of academia since it is the only city in the country with education as its primary economic sector. There is easy access to higher education as the famous Rhodes University is located there. Number 20. Algiers, Algeria. Algiers is the largest and the capital city of Algeria. The city is located along the Mediterranean coastline, hosting many beaches, which are great relaxing places for both visitors and residents. It has some of the most amazing monuments that were constructed to mark important events and dates in Algeria's history. There are many spectacular places with beautiful sandy beaches and fascinating landscape. Number 19. Accra, Ghana. Accra is the busiest, the largest, and the capital city of Ghana. The Ghanaians are friendly and their tropical environment is very much favorable. There are also many highbrow areas and excellent spots for evening hangouts, making it a fantastic city to live in. Number 18. Gaborone, Botswana. Gaborone is the largest, the busiest, and the capital city of Botswana. The city has a flourishing economy because of political stability. It is often considered the best beginning spot for those who want to explore the continent for the first time. Tourism, sports, and recreational facilities have been receiving a big boost from the government. In the city center, the National Museum and Art Gallery display art and cultural artifacts. Number 17. Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos is regarded as the busiest and the most populated city in Africa. Because of this large population, Lagos is considered as the center of trade and commerce. Victoria Island, the financial center of the metropolis, is known for its beach resorts, boutiques, and nightlife. Number 16. Libreville, Gabon. Libreville is the largest, the busiest, and the capital city of Gabon. The lifestyle of the people and the beautiful architecture is greatly influenced by the French. It also has a literacy rate of about 90%. Additionally, it doubles as an oil city with a massive investment which has boosted the mining sector. Number 15. Kumasi, Ghana. Kumasi hosts one of the largest markets in West Africa that bears more than 10,000 stalls. The legendary hospitality and warm friendliness of the people of the Ashanti region in which Kumasi is located make it a great city. It is also referred to as the Garden City, going by the many beautiful flowers and exotic plant species found in the area. Number 14. Luanda, Angola. Luanda is the largest, the busiest, and the capital city of Angola. Luanda is also the second largest oil producer in Africa. It is also home to the country's principal seaport and administrative center. The city, which rests on the coast of the Atlantic Ocean, is generally safe, offering a great place to spend a family vacation. Number 13. Agadir, Morocco. Agadir is one of the major urban centers of Morocco. Its beauty rests on the blending of history and modernity. The city is regarded as a resort destination for its golf courses, wide crescent beach, restaurants, and bars. Number 12. Cape Town. Cape Town is the second most populous city in South Africa. It is famous for its Table Mountain, harbour, and Cape Point. It is the most popular international tourist destination in the country. The city is beautiful for its landmark such as the Table Mountain and the Cape Point. Number 11. Cairo, Egypt. Cairo is the largest, the busiest, and the capital city of Egypt. It is also the most populated city in Africa after Lagos and is also referred to as the home of civilization. With breathtaking infrastructures and a low crime level, Cairo is one of the most beautiful cities in the African continent. Number 10. Port Louis, Mauritius. Port Louis, which is the capital city of Mauritius, is one of the most beautiful cities in the African continent. The cleanliness, beauty, and security make Port Louis stand out from the rest. The presence of port facilities, manufacturing industries, and tourism sites makes it a financial hub. Its cuisine, history, and city architecture draw tourists from all walks of life. Number 9. Kigali, Rwanda. Kigali is the largest, the busiest, and the capital city of Rwanda. Kigali is famously known to be the cleanest city in Africa. The city also stands out as one of the most organized cities in the continent. The city is going through rapid transformations, with tall buildings being erected within the city. The city is located in the heart or center of Rwanda. Number 8. Windhoek, Namibia. Windhoek, the largest and the capital city of Namibia, is one of the most beautiful cities in the African continent. Most government institutions are also located within the city's parameters. On a hilltop in the city center, there are the 1890s Alte Feste, a former military headquarters with historical exhibits, and Independence Memorial Museum. Number 7. Abidjan, Ivory Coast. Abidjan served as the capital city of Ivory Coast until independence, when the capital city was moved to Yamoussoukro. The beautiful skyline of Abidjan is simply breathtaking. The security in Abidjan is also quite improved, allowing tourists to explore the lengths and breadths of the city. Number 6. Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Addis Ababa is the largest, the busiest, and the capital city of Ethiopia. The city is also famously known as the political capital of Africa, as it houses many political organizations and serves as the headquarters of the African Union. It has world-class roads, buildings, and other social amenities. This makes it an ideal place to visit and live. It has its historical, diplomatic, and political significance. Number 5. Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Dar es Salaam, which serves as the former capital city of Tanzania, is one of the most beautiful cities in the African continent. The city is also the largest and the busiest city in Tanzania. Dar es Salaam is the major city for both business and government in Tanzania. It enjoys tropical weather all year round. Number 4. Abuja, Nigeria. After Lagos stopped being the capital city of Nigeria in 1991, Abuja became the capital city. The city was chosen by the Nigerian president Ibrahim Badamasi Bangida. The city is on the list of the most beautiful cities in West Africa. It is attractive and known for being one of the few purpose-built capital cities in the African continent, as well as being one of the wealthiest. Abuja is Nigeria's administrative and political center. It is also a key capital on the African continent due to Nigeria's geopolitical influence in regional affairs. Number 3. Nairobi, Kenya. Nairobi is the largest, the busiest, and the capital city of Kenya. A good number of multinational companies prefer to use Nairobi as the base for the operations in Africa and the continent at large. Nairobi is also the most developed city in East Africa. It is one of the most leading cities on the continent, both politically and financially. Nairobi is popularly known as the Green City under the sun because of its amazing green foliage, which is unparalleled in any other city. The city is known for its sheer natural beauty that will take your breath away. It is a place where everyone collides into a magnificent experience. Nairobi is the only capital city in the world with a national park located within the city. The park is called the Nairobi National Park, and because of this, Nairobi is also called the Safari Capital of Africa. Number 2. Tunis, Tunisia. Tunis stands as the second most beautiful city in the African continent. Tunis is the busiest and the capital city of Tunisia. It has a population of 2,700,000 inhabitants, making it the center of the country's economic and commercial activities. The government of Tunisia developed Tunis to make it compete globally and make it one of the best cities in the African continent. And finally, topping the list of the most beautiful cities in the African continent is Johannesburg. Johannesburg is also one of the wealthiest modern cities in the African continent. The city has a lot of investment and career opportunities, making it a favorable place to live in. Johannesburg is the financial and industrial metropolis of South Africa, Built on rich history of gold mine, the city is rapidly evolving from an edgy safari stopover to a vibrant hub for arts and culture. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you found the video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification. See you in the next episode.